How you doing?
I'm watching a movie, dog.
You sound like you high, boy. What you got to say for yourself?
Huh?
Are you smoking?
Yeah,
You smoking for me too?
yeah,
You sure about that?
yeah.
You never
Not
get.
for me, you, me, the whole world.
How much you got left?
Say like two?
2 joints?
Yeah,
Oh, you gonna smoke them all before you go to bed?
yeah. Ain't gonna be nothing left.
Dude, you pretty high.
Uh,
Hey,
yeah.
I got a video for you to watch tomorrow because I'm on my computer right now and I was gonna call you and I knew you were high, so I was gonna record it and have you on speakerphone with the little kid sound. I'm gonna put that whole on YouTube tonight and I'm gonna let you listen to it tomorrow and make you laugh. I've been trying to get a hold of Nick though. You still got his number?
Nah,
You need to give that fat boy a call.
yeah.
Alright, dude, well, smoke it up. Alright, later.
Later.
Fucking Big John. He's high. He's high on a kite. Later.